Well, the first thing I do after an accident is try to get as much information as you can about the other driver or witnesses to the collision. A lot of times witnesses, even though the police come, are not listed on the police report. So if you see witnesses at the scene who said they saw or witnessed what happened, try to get names, addresses, and telephone numbers. A lot of times clients come in and say, I've got Joe Smith as a witness, and it's virtually impossible to then contact Joe Smith. It's also very important to get photographs depicting the property damage. A lot of times clients have come into me and I ask about photos and they say no, they didn't take them because they assume the body shop did or they assume the insurance company did, and that is often not true. And once the car, if it's been totaled or repaired, has been disposed of, it's impossible to get those photos. So it's really important to get photographs of the property damage as soon as you can. It's also very important to get medical care if you need it. And I'm not telling every client to go to a doctor for no reason at all. But if someone's hurt following an accident or a collision, it's very important that they get medical care. And it's important for a couple of reasons. It's important for their own physical well-being. It doesn't do anyone any good to play a martyr and say, well, I'm just going to see what happens and hope this pain or problem goes away and wait weeks and weeks or even months to get medical care. From the medical standpoint, prompt care often results in a much quicker and a much better recovery. So for someone who's been in a collision, prompt medical care is really important for their own physical well-being. It's also very important from the standpoint of a legal case. Insurance companies think that if someone is not seeing a doctor, that they are not hurt. And that's obviously not true, but that's the mindset of the insurance companies. So again, don't go to a doctor for no reason at all, but if you are hurt, don't play the martyr and get the medical care that you need. Another thing to do is make sure when you do get medical care, have your providers bill your health insurance company. Lots of times the health care providers will say, well, we'll just put this off for a while and we'll bill your auto insurance company or we'll collect from the person responsible. That's a mistake. Don't do that. Have your health care providers bill the health insurance so that bills are taken care of promptly. And then finally, I would always recommend a consultation with a personal injury lawyer. You can contact a personal injury lawyer and get information, and that's what someone needs who's been in an accident, information. So talk to a personal injury lawyer, ask whatever questions you want. There's no cost, there's no obligation for most personal injury firms, so talk to a lawyer who knows that kind of case, and that's the best advice I could give you.